Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today is the 23rd of February 2025. It's our final day in Amritsar. Today we are going to visit some incredibly significant places in the city. We are starting our day at Sri Harmandir Sahib, also popularly known as the Golden Temple. This is not just a religious site, it is a symbol of peace, equality, and the rich history of Sikhism. Sri Harmandir Sahib is one of the holiest sites in Sikhism, alongside the Gurdwara Darbar Sahib Kartarpur in Kartarpur, and Gurdwara Janam Sthan in Nankana Sahib. Its construction began in 1581 under the direction of Guru Arjan, the fifth Sikh Guru, and was completed in 1588. The temple was initially a simple structure but was later embellished with gold, leading to its current name. Amrit Sarovar, also known as the Pool of Nectar, is a sacred and historic water tank which surrounds Sri Harmandir Sahib. The construction of the Amrit Sarovar was initiated by Guru Ram Das Ji, the fourth Sikh Guru, in the 16th century. It was further expanded and beautified by Guru Arjan Dev Ji, the fifth Sikh Guru. Hundreds of devotees often take a dip in the Sarovar as an act of purification and to seek spiritual blessings. It is believed that the Sarovar's waters have healing properties and can clean the soul of a devotee. The Sarovar is fed by the river through a network of underground channels. The water is continuously replenished to maintain its purity. The Sarovar is surrounded by a marble walkway known as the Parikrama, where pilgrims circumambulate in a clockwise direction as part of their religious practice, offering prayers and paying their respects. Over 150,000 people visit Sri Harmandir Sahib every day for worship. The Gurdwara was repeatedly rebuilt by the Sikhs after it became a target of persecution and was destroyed several times by the Mughal and invading Afghan armies. Maharaja Ranjit Singh, after founding the Sikh Empire, rebuilt it in marble and copper in 1809, and overlaid the sanctum with gold leaf in 1830. It became a center of the Singh Sabha movement between 1883 and the 1920s, and the Punjabi Suba movement between 1947 and 1966. The Golden Temple is an open house of worship for all people, from all walks of life and faiths. The Langar at the Golden Temple in Amritsar is a free community kitchen that serves meals to anyone, regardless of their background, for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is considered as the world's largest free kitchen, feeding an average of 50,000 to 100,000 people daily. The tradition of serving langar initiated by Guru Nanak Dev Ji and then established by the third Guru Sri Guru Amar Das Ji. Even the Mughal king Akbar came and sat among the ordinary people to share langar. The food is simple, vegetarian, and nutritious, and the meals are prepared and served by volunteers. Our next destination is Gurudwara Bibeksar Sahib. This Gurdwara is located at a distance of about 1 kilometer southeast from the most important landmark for the Sikhs, Sri Harmandir Sahib. Gurdwara Bibeksar Sahib is situated on the banks of the Bibeksar Sarovar. This Sarovar was built by Guru Hargobind Sahib, the sixth Guru of Sikhism, and the present beautiful Gurdwara was built by Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Bibeksar Sarovar holds great religious significance and serves as a peaceful retreat for devotees seeking enlightenment. Within the Gurdwara Bibeksar Sahib complex, there stands a kari tree that holds great historical and spiritual importance. It is believed that Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji used to tie his horse to this tree whenever he returned from hunting expeditions. Langar is served every day at least twice, typically during the morning and evening. While specific times may vary, it's common to see food served around 12 p.m. and 7 p.m. We are now heading to a place that tells a very different, but equally important story. The Partition Museum. The Partition Museum documents the human cost of the 1947 partition of India and Pakistan. It is a place dedicated to remembering the experiences, struggles, and resilience of those who were affected by this pivotal moment in history. The Partition Museum is open Tuesday to Sunday, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. It is closed on Mondays and public holidays. The entry charge for foreigners is 250 rupees per ticket, and for Indian residents, it is 10 rupees. Children under the age of 5 are admitted free of charge. In 1947, British India was divided into India and Pakistan. The partition lines, drawn on a map by the British lawyer Cyril Radcliffe, divided the province of Punjab and Bengal into two parts on the basis of religion. As a result, millions of people found themselves on the wrong side of the border overnight. According to various estimates, more than 800,000 Muslims, Hindus, and Sikhs were killed in the riots that followed the partition between August 1947 to January 1948. The government of Punjab founded this museum with the Arts and Cultural Heritage Trust of the United Kingdom as a way to memorialize those who were affected by the partition. This museum was inaugurated on the 25th of August 2017. Our next destination is Gurdwara Baba Atal Rai Sahib Ji. Gurdwara Baba Atal Rai is a famous Gurdwara in Amritsar dedicated to Atal Rai, a son of Guru Har Gobind and Mata Nanki. It consists of 9 stories and is around 40 meters in height. It is just a short walk from the famous Harmandir Sahib. This Gurdwara is the tallest structure in entire Amritsar city. You will get a bird's eye view of the busy town of Amritsar from the tower's top floor. Our last destination is Jallianwala Bagh Memorial. Today evening, we will witness a powerful retelling of the events of April 13, 1919, through the mesmerizing light and sound show. This show is an informative, 1-hour program. It starts every day at 7 p.m. in summer and 5 p.m. during the winter. The light and sound show vividly recreates the atmosphere of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. You will witness the gathering, the tension, and the tragic turn of events, as General Dyer's troops arrived and opened fire on the unarmed crowd, protesting peacefully against the Rowlatt Act and the arrest of pro-Indian independence activists.
शांति नाल गल करदे लोकां नूं किस कोलों खतरा हो सकदा सी पर ना अंग्रेज़ हुकूमत दीआं बंदूकां रुकियां अते ना ही टायर दीआं अखां विच कोई इंसानियत जागी जो गोलियां ना बेगुनाह दे जिस्म विच गोलियां चलदियां रहियां
Amritsar, you have been incredible. From the vibrant streets and delicious food to the profound spirituality and historical significance, the city has left a lasting impression on us. Thank you so much for joining us on this Amritsar tour. I hope you enjoyed experiencing these incredible places with us. If you did, please like this video, subscribe for more travel content, and let me know in the comments which part of our Amritsar journey resonated with you the most.